All right, year four, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. We're actually going to skip the long intro today because we are on a strict grammar mission. So let's dive right into this explainer and master something called the perfect tense.
So, you might be wondering, what exactly is the perfect tense? I know, it sounds kind of fancy, right? But I promise you by the time we're done today, in just a couple of minutes, you're going to be using it like an absolute pro. But well, before we can conquer the perfect tense, we need to meet a very special friend. We call it the auxiliary verb. Basically, think of it as a friendly little helper that gives the main action word a hand in your sentence. It links up with the main verb to do some of the heavy lifting. And it all comes together just like a giant map. It lays out the entire landscape of verbs, our little helpers, and the timelines they create. We're going to break down exactly how this whole shebang works.
So the absolutely crucial point is knowing how to actually build it. To create the perfect tense, you literally just follow a simple two-step recipe that's guaranteed to work every single time. Okay, step one, use a helping auxiliary verb based on to have, so words like has, have, had, or will have. Step two, you just add the special past form of your main verb, which is often called the past participle. And boom, done.
Now watch how this builds a sort of time machine. The helper verb actually moves the action right through time. Take Aisha, for example. In the past, she had taken the best spot on the carpet. Right now? Well, she has taken the best spot. And in the future, she will have taken the spot. Notice how the helping verb changes, but the main word, taken, stays exactly the same. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, wait a second, because there's a really tricky trap you need to avoid here. Just because you see the word have, it doesn't automatically mean it's the perfect tense. No way. If you say, I have 3 pets, the word have is just the main verb showing you own something. But if you say, I have practiced origami, have is stepping up as the helper for the main action, which is practiced.
We also really need to watch out for those tricky irregular verbs. Sometimes, the main verb totally changes its spelling when we use our perfect tense recipe. So was becomes been, sang transforms into has sung, did turns into done, and drew becomes has drawn. You definitely got to keep an eye out for those shapeshifters. All right, challenge time. Let's do a rapid-fire check to see if we can spot the tense. Ready? Miss Afodu has arrived. Yup, that's perfect present. Next one. The class had hoped to win. See that helper had? That makes it perfect past. And finally, they will have finished by noon. You guessed it, for sure, that's perfect future. You all absolutely crushed that. So I'm going to leave you with one enthusiastic final challenge. What perfect tense sentence will you have written by the end of today? Did you catch that? Actually, I just used the future perfect tense, right there. Go ahead and apply your new grammar recipe right away. Great work today, year 4. You've got this.